Hi everyone, my name is Edith Bryn, and this is my first year teaching part-time at Fresno State. I have taught SPED 179 and SPED 146. During my time at Fresno State, I have had the opportunity to engage in multiple classes to help me grow as a lecturer for future courses I may teach. I am also a full-time special education teacher for Fresno Unified. I have taught a class of students with autism in grades 1 through 3 for 5 years now. I fell in love with autism when I became a paraprofessional for my coworker now and decided to go back to school to obtain my credential and my master's. I have had the pleasure of becoming a model classroom and site for our board-adopted curriculum. I have also had the opportunity to participate in a grant called Supporting Inclusive Practices. My students were given the chance to be included in the general education class of their grade level throughout the day. I love teaching SPED 179 because it gives me an opportunity to educate future general education teachers on becoming more inclusive and having a growth mindset. I also enjoy teaching SPED 146 because it allows me to expand on lesson planning and assessments for special education teachers. Aside from teaching, I enjoy working out, taking my dogs on walks, traveling before COVID of course, watching movies and crime documentaries, and spending time with my friends and family. I am a Disney fanatic, a dog lover, and I love watching sports. I look forward to spending the semester with you.